In the world of hunting, few calibers have sparked as much debate as the 6.5 Creedmoor. Once hailed as the perfect balance of accuracy and power, it's now facing tough competition from newer, more versatile options. In this video, we'll explore why so many hunters in 2025 are moving away from the 6.5 Creedmoor and what calibers are taking its place in the field. This is a discussion for education and entertainment only, meant to highlight performance trends, ballistics, and real-world experiences, not to promote or sell any firearm or ammunition. Let's get started. Number 5. 280 Ackley Improved. In the hunting world of 2025, the 280 Ackley Improved is stepping up as a smart choice for hunters ditching the 6.5 Creedmoor. This cartridge offers a great mix of speed and power, making it easy to shoot far and hit deer or elk with one clean shot. It's like a lighter version of the 7mm Magnum, but with less kick, so you can stay on target better during long hunts. Hunters love how it uses bullets from 140 to 160 grains, giving flat flights out to 400 yards without too much drop. Plus, it works well in standard rifles, so no need for a big custom gun. The brass is strong and reloads easy, saving money over time. But it's not perfect. Some say the recoil is still a bit sharp for new shooters, and ammo costs more than basic rounds. Overall, it's a solid shift for those wanting more punch without the hassle. Pros: excellent long-range accuracy with low wind drift on lighter bullets. Mild recoil compared to Magnum cartridges, great for all-day hunts. Versatile for medium game like deer, antelope, and black bear. Efficient powder burn means less barrel wear and better velocity. Readily available components for handloaders. Cons: factory ammo is pricier and harder to find than common calibers. Slightly more recoil than 6.5 Creedmoor, which might tire smaller frame shooters. Not ideal for very large game like moose without heavier bullets. Barrel life is shorter than non-Magnum rounds due to higher pressures. Limited rifle options in budget models. Number 4. .300 Winchester Magnum. The .300 Winchester Magnum is making waves in 2025 as hunters swap out the 6.5 Creedmoor for something with real stopping power. This classic big-bore round packs a punch for big game like elk and moose, reaching speeds over 3,000 feet per second with 180-grain bullets. It's a go-to for open country hunts where shots stretch to 500 yards, thanks to its flat trajectory and tough energy delivery. The wide bullet selection means you can tweak it for everything from varmints to bears. Recoil is stout, but modern stocks help tame it, and it's reliable in cold weather. Hunters switching over say it feels like upgrading from a sports car to a truck more capable, just heavier on the shoulder. Drawbacks include higher ammo costs and more kick, which can lead to flinch in long sessions. Pros: superior energy retention for ethical kills on large animals at distance. Proven track record in extreme conditions, from Alaska to Africa. Huge variety of factory loads for different game and ranges. Excellent for dangerous game with premium expanding bullets. High velocity reduces time of flight, aiding precise hits. Cons: heavy recoil can cause shooter fatigue and accuracy issues over time. Ammo and brass are expensive, especially for frequent practice. Overkill for small to medium game, wasting meat and increasing meat damage. Requires heavier rifles, making them less portable for mountain hunts. Louder muzzle blast demands better hearing protection. Number 3. 308 Winchester. For 2025 hunters eyeing a switch from the 6.5 Creedmoor, the 308 Winchester stands out as a tough, no-fuss option that's been battle-tested for decades. This short-action cartridge shines in wooded areas or thick brush, dropping deer and hogs inside 300 yards with reliable 150 to 180 grain bullets. It's milder on the shoulder than Magnums, letting you take quick follow-up shots if needed. The 308's military roots mean parts and ammo are everywhere and cheap, perfect for budget builds or surplus rifles. It handles well in lever actions too, adding fun to traditional hunts. While it doesn't stretch as far as sleeker rounds, its proven stopping power makes it a safe bet for most North American game. Downsides? It drops faster at long range, so holdovers matter more. Pros: affordable and abundant ammo for high-volume shooting practice. Low recoil promotes better form and confidence for beginners. Versatile across rifles, from bolts to semis and levers. Strong terminal performance on medium game with controlled expansion. Excellent barrel life, over 5,000 rounds in many setups. Cons: more bullet drop and wind sensitivity beyond 300 yards. less velocity than modern cartridges, limiting extreme range ethics. Can overpenetrate on smaller game, risking bystanders. Heavier bullets reduce flatness compared to lighter magnums. Not as efficient for international travel due to import rules. Number 2. 7mm PRC. The 7mm PRC is exploding in popularity among 2025 hunters, replacing the 6.5 Creedmoor, thanks to its blend of speed, accuracy, and knockdown force. Designed for precision rifle fans, this cartridge pushes 175-grain bullets to 3,000 FPS, making 600-yard elk shots feel routine with minimal drop. It's got a fatter case for better powder capacity, burning clean and hot without excessive recoil. Hunters rave about its low standard deviation in velocity, meaning tighter groups even on windy days. It pairs perfectly with long-range scopes and bipods for spot and stalk hunts. Switching feels like gaining a superpower for big mule deer or sheep. But it's newish, so rifles and loads aren't as cheap yet, and the beltless design takes some getting used to for reloaders. Pros: superior ballistics for flat trajectories out to 700 yards. Balanced recoil allows sustained accuracy in competitions or hunts. Optimized for high BC bullets, cutting wind drift dramatically. Great for large game with deep penetration and expansion. Modern design improves feeding in short-action rifles. Cons: higher cost for factory ammo and proprietary brass. Requires precise reloading to avoid pressure spikes. Slightly heavier rifles needed for stability. Limited availability in entry-level firearms. Overpowered for close-range brush hunting. Number 1. 6.5 PRC. Topping the 2025 shift list, the 6.5 PRC is why many hunters are ditching the 6.5 Creedmoor for a hotter, harder-hitting twin. This powerhouse boosts velocities to 2,160 FPS with 143-grain bullets, stretching effective range to 800 yards while keeping recoil manageable. It's built for Western big game, delivering laser-like accuracy and vital zone energy on pronghorn or caribou. The efficient case design means less powder for more speed, and it shines in custom rigs with match-grade barrels. Hunters switching report fewer misses on tough angles thanks to its forgiving art. It's like the Creedmoor on steroids, same family, bigger results. Cons include steeper ammo prices and a need for premium optics to match its potential. Plus, it's not ideal for tiny varmints. Pros: exceptional long-range precision with minimal environmental drift. Adequate power for all North American big game ethically. Smoother recoil than comparable magnums for better follow-ups. High sectional density bullets for deep straight-line penetration. Easy transition for 6.5 Creedmoor owners due to similar feel. Cons: premium pricing on loads limits casual plinking. Shorter barrel life from higher pressures, around 2,000–3,000 rounds. Overkill energy can spoil meat on smaller deer. Fewer budget rifle options compared to legacy calibers. Sensitive to improper seating depth and hand loads. And there you have it. The 6.5 Creedmoor might still hold a special place in many hunters' hearts, but 2025 is clearly shaping up to be a year of change. From new ballistic innovations to evolving hunting styles, the shift is undeniable. Remember, this video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Always follow your local laws, handle firearms responsibly, and stay safe in the field. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content about hunting and outdoor gear. See you in the next one.